From Forbes 30 Under 30 to Freedom magazine, singer-songwriter Karun has been in the spotlight since she kicked off her music career at 14, quickly gaining recognition as a solo artist and internationally acclaimed performer due to her eclectic twist of soul meets R&B.
How was it being an artist from Kenya, an African artist, all the way in the States, you're hustling and you're in school? How was that reception?
I don't know, it was really different from how it is when I perform in Kenya. Like, people were really receptive. My music and our music is very international, so it was really easy for people to just like accept it and listen to it. It's like they understood it immediately.
Over your skin, let me be.
James and Charles rock the Kenyan slang Sheng in the most authentic way possible. Their swag and style of delivery brings forth stories from the hoods of Nairobi in a way they only can. They're entrepreneurs, and their show Sheng Talk showcases their multifaceted talent.
Us, we just love the culture. This is how we grew up. We grew up like doing all these things. But what we used to watch on TV was not a representation of what we were living.
Okay, we need to teach Nick how to bargain because
I am terrible at it, like really, really terrible. I like these.
Hey, Nick,
right?
you're looking
I feel like I'm Hassan Minhaj.
I love that dude.
Jeri Kholisa is a multimedia platform and lifestyle brand bridging the cultural intersection of fashion, music, and artist management. Founders Natasha and Mnikelo Qubu's unique 360 approach to developing artists and growing businesses has put them on the global map.
Literally the first thing I noticed when I met you guys was your pants. Like I could your pants, because it reminded me, I think it was about a couple of years ago, first time I went to South Africa, and the first thing that I just noticed all around is the color. Can't wait for the next adventure. Let's go.